Here we ensure only the freshest jackfruits are selected. Our team carefully sorts them by size and quality.
Here at the facility, the jackfruits enter the automated cleaning tunnel.
Here at the facility, the clean jackfruits are carefully placed on the stainless steel cutting tables, ready for processing.
The first step is crucial, carefully scoring the tough outer rind before sectioning the fruit to access the delicate inner pods.
To remove the stubborn latex, we apply a layer of food-grade oil, allowing the sticky residue to be safely scraped off.
The high-speed automated slicer processes the jackfruit bulbs with extreme precision, creating perfect, thin slices for packaging.
The high-pressure rinsing station removes excess starch, ensuring a crispier texture in the final product.
As part of our commitment to quality, every single slice undergoes rigorous inspection for cleanliness and consistency.
Next, the slices are carried by the conveyor into the continuous blancher for precise heat treatment.
Immediately after blanching, the slices are submerged in the ice water bath to halt the cooking process and ensure a crisp texture.
The seasoning mixture is carefully prepared in these large tanks to ensure perfect consistency and flavor.
To achieve that perfect flavor, the slices are gently mixed with our unique seasoning blend in these large tumblers.
Meticulous care is taken to align the slices on the mesh trays, guaranteeing a consistent drying process.
As the apple slices enter the drying chamber, powerful air streams rapidly evaporate the moisture, visible here as steam.
We monitor the dryness levels closely. The handheld meter confirms the powder is within specification.
The jackfruit slices are conveyed directly into the deep fryer, where they will be cooked until perfectly crisp.
Our state-of-the-art machinery ensures that each slice enters the golden oil in a perfectly controlled batch. The perfectly golden chips travel along the vibratory conveyor, where the majority of the oil is reclaimed. We check the crunchiness right after cooling to ensure a perfect snap every time. The approved chips travel along conveyor A, moving towards the seasoning enhancement stage, where they will receive their distinctive flavor. The finished jackfruit chips are carefully inspected and packed, ready to be shipped directly to market shelves.
Our unique slow fry method guarantees the perfect crunch, as you can see in this magnified view of the chips cascading down the line.
Our high-speed vertical form-fill seal machines ensure that every bag is packed with the perfect amount of crispy chips.
Here at the facility, our team ensures every packet is placed with precision before moving to the next stage.
Our high-speed conveyor system ensures every carton is securely sealed and precisely labeled, streamlining the shipment process.
Welcome to the heart of our operation. This massive storage facility ensures our premium jackfruit chips are ready for global distribution.
Safety and efficiency are paramount here. Our team utilizes the latest equipment to keep the supply chain moving smoothly.